steps. My hair is back to brown. I was just getting really sick of the purple, to be honest with you. Yeah, so I'm gonna be bald when I'm like 25. Hey guys, it's Zach, by the way. In today's video, I am going to give you a little rundown of kind of how I get ready. So like a natural men's makeup look. I am uploading videos every week. I just don't have like a date yet, so I'm kind of waiting for you guys to kind of like tell me when I need to upload. So first things first, I'm going to jump in the shower and shave my face. So I'm going for a very natural look, so that's why I wanted to do this video today, because I do have a shoot and I needed to be no makeup look. I did comb my hair up in the position that I wanted to like dry in, because it's fried enough so I can't really blow dry it. But the first step into my routine is moisturizing your face. Use an oil-free moisturizer with SPF in it. Crazy because I did upload a video like this when I first started. The way that I do my makeup, similar but also very different. So my routine has really changed over the years. Alright, so now that we are moisturized, we're gonna get to the next step. So I'm going to use primer to prime my face. The primer I like to use is the POREfessional by Benefit, so it looks like that. Two different primers because I wanted to test them out. I really like this one and the Dr. Bandit one primer, so that one's really good as well. Alright, so we are all primed up. I really like how it just makes your face so smooth and it feels so nice. Next step that I do. Basically what I do is I take foundation. I like to use Urban Decay All Nighter. This is literally my favorite. Just a tiny little dot. It is really dark, so I like to mix it with a little bit of a lighter shade, and this one is a Too Faced Born This Way. And then I just mix it on my hand like so. I don't use a beauty sponge. I just dip right in with a brush. This is an IT Cosmetics foundation brush. It works seamlessly and it's really easy to control. I go over my eyes and everything. I just do my whole face like this. It really does give me a nice glowy tint. I prefer. Makeup to me is not like for hiding or anything like that, but it does make me feel more confident and sexy. It doesn't cover up everything, which is not what I'm trying to do. Honestly, just trying to enhance my male features. Just a tanner, natural makeup look, but also look very clean and whatnot, because I have insecurities with my skin. So now that we have foundation on, the next step would be bronze, I guess you could say, slash contour. So I use a loose brown powder and I just put it in this little container, and then in the lid it'll be right there, and I put that onto this little IT Cosmetics brush. Just put this on here, swirl it around, it'll all get on the brush, and then I just dab lightly because it's really pigmented, and I'll just do like a contour and then also like my high cheekbones. Okay, usually it doesn't look like this. But we can tone it down a little bit. I'll also do my jawline, a little up here contouring just into the hairline. So that was a lot. What we're gonna do, tone it down a little bit by taking that brush that we used for our foundation and just going over it. The reason why I do this is because I like to always achieve a sun-kissed look. It just, to me, it looks so naturally pretty. My freckles still peek through, so I like that a lot. I'm gonna use this purpley dark blush. I'm gonna use this on the high peaks of my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose and just kind of like all over my face to really give off that sun-kissed look. So I'll put this like all right here, all right here. I'll go like even on my nose, and then I'll just kind of like blend it all together. And then I will put it up here because this is usually where I get sunburned when I'm standing outside. It'll really give off that illusion. Maybe a little bit on my chin. And you want to use a blush that's definitely buildable. You don't want something super pigmented because that'll just look crazy. So now we look sun-kissed for the gods. We're going to be doing our eyebrows. Okay, so I've had so many different things with my eyebrows. Right now I'm just like in that stage where I just don't care. Just go with the flow and I do the same thing every day. But I used to like paint on like eyebrows, dude. And then I got to the point where I was like, I don't care, and I would just use a brush with product on it. and just do them. But now I'm trying to always like just achieve this like long, droopy, low, bushy eyebrow. And I used to not do that. Like I used to cut my eyebrows, like cut meaning take concealer and just shape these thin, perfect Barbie doll eyebrows on her face. And now I don't really do that. Now I kind of like want like a bushier eyebrow, a low bushy brow. Alright, so those are the eyebrows, and that did take like 2 seconds. This whole makeup figured out on my own, and I'm like sticking to it. It's really easy, it's really simple, and it looks really good and natural. Then my last step, I literally kiss my blush, wipe it around my lips, and call it a day. For hair products that I like to use is Verb. I like to just take the Verb, like a little scoopful on the finger, get my other hand a little wet, mix it on my hand like it's like lotion or something, and I like to apply it to really dry or a little wet, semi-wet, but mainly dry hair. So that concludes this natural men's makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys liked this video, go ahead, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a like. If you want to see me do any more looks, tricks, hacks, anything, any kind of video, leave a comment down below. I love feedback. I love to know what you guys like to watch, and when you guys want new videos, I don't know, that's up to you. I'm literally just waiting for someone to comment being like, oh, you should do videos this week, this week, this week. I always reply to comments too. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.